Hello guys, today we are going to look at the Archos SK8. It is a very cheap longboard, the cheapest I have found on a European market. It costs around 200 euros. And by the cheapest I found, I mean the cheapest I found that isn't from China, but from a European or from an American company. And Archos made their first longboard, and Archos makes phones and a lot of technical accessories, and so I hope that this longboard has kind of a quality to it. You see they are proudly presented with their French logo here. Yeah, let's take a look around. There's not a lot here. Those are just the notices that you should always ride with your protecting gear. And here is not a lot. We're going to look at those things when we have the board out of the box. So, some technical facts about it. Like I said, it is called a longboard, but it's more a skateboard than a longboard because it's only 75 centimeters long. So, it's quite small for a longboard, yeah. But, so, I said it's quite cheap and quite small, so that only gives us around a payload of 80 kilograms and an in-wheel motor that gives us 150 watts. That isn't much, but it boosts the board up to 15 kilometers per hour, and it has a range up to 10 kilometers. So yeah, let's unbox this baby here. Let's put those open here. Yeah, we'll greet it with a lot of packing material. And here it is. First out of the box you can see the inline motor. And wheels are, I think, 3.5 centimeter wide. And those, this wood is ahorn wood. So yeah, let's take it out of the box and look what's inside. And here we have the board out of the box. Let's take a look at it. The finish of the board is quite nice. The wheels are astonishingly big. The thing is, you can ride this board even when the pedal is flat. You can ride it like a normal skateboard. That's quite nice, and it has a nice handle. The whole thing only weighs 7 kilograms, under 7 kilograms, 6.8. Precisely, and yeah, that's the in-wheel motor and the battery. You cannot change it out, but yeah. And here you have the loading board. It is water sealed, so but you shouldn't ride it when it's raining. It isn't rated for that. So yeah, the wheels look quite sturdy. Now let's take a look at the box. Here we have, oh yeah, the box just went down. Here we have the user manual. And let's look what we have next. And here we have the charger to plug it in. It comes with an American plug and the European plug. The next thing is to load it. It's around 2.5 hours, then it should be full. And inside the zip bag here is also the controller. We're going to take a look at that real quick. And here you have to turn it on and turn it off. Here you see the charging indicator and the blue light. When it's blinking, that means that it tries to search for the controller and tries to connect to the controller. So we are going to set it up later. Now we're going to look at the controller. Now let's take a closer look at the controller. It's quite interesting. It's very light, and the main button here is forward and braking or backward. And here we have also the setting for low speed. So when you're in the beginning you didn't know how to ride a thing, you're going on low, and later you want to go faster, you can set it to high. Very easy. Shift, that means only that it is the direction that is going. And here the battery, the battery, there are 4 little lights here. They are indicating the battery light. When all 4 lights are off, that means the battery is full. Now on the underside here we have the on-off switch and the mini USB switch. So there isn't a mini USB port, there isn't a battery in there. You can, there is even a cable, a mini USB cable to USB, and you can charge your controller on your normal USB. So the next thing we are going to connect it to the controller. So the first thing we're going to do is to switch it on. That's here. Now we see the lights come on and it is searching for the skateboard. Now we see we have 3 lights. That means the battery, and here this light, that means that the controller is searching for the board. So we're going to turn on the board. We're going to wait until they have connected.